Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. And as you can see, I've got a couple of things behind me over here. I don't have a lot of stuff to put out this year, and I'm just gonna do a really quick light cleaning video and put a few things out just to get over this Christmas blues thing, because it is like the most difficult thing in the world is to like just take down all my Christmas decorations and the lights, you know, because I just love all of that. I don't know about you guys, but it just kind of hits me hard after the holidays. And Jack loves Christmas too. I do have one tote of stuff and it's pretty full, so I'll go ahead and quit rambling and we will get started.